First, browse the Epic Games Store and add the game, add-in, or digital content you wish to purchase to your cart. Once you're ready, proceed to the checkout by clicking the shopping cart icon and then selecting the Go to Checkout button. On the Payment Method selection screen, scroll down and locate the Paysafecard option. This is usually listed among other payment gateways. Click on Paysafecard. You will then be redirected to a secure Paysafe payment page where you'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit Paysafe PIN. Carefully enter your unique 16-digit Paysafe PIN into the designated field. Double-check for any typos to ensure a smooth transaction. After entering your PIN, click the Pay or Confirm button to authorize the transaction. Paysafe will then verify the PIN and the available balance. Once the payment is successfully processed, you will be redirected back to the Epic Games Store, where you'll see a confirmation of your purchase. Your new content will immediately be added to your library. You can now go to your Epic Games library, download your new content, and start playing. That's how easy it is to pay with Paysafe on Epic Games. Happy gaming!